Kawasaki's yearly custom of updates has now stretched out itself to the Versys 650, with the organization propelling the 2018 model in India at Rs 6.50 lakh, ex-showroom, Mumbai. While it keeps on being the same as far as its mechanicals and highlights, it has gotten a couple of visual changes as new decals on the fairing, a slight change from the re-examined stickers on the 2017 Versys. As a major aspect of the BS4 consistence refresh prior this year, the Versys 650 got some esteem increments, for example, a rigging position pointer and a windscreen that can be raised or brought down by 2 inches, in an instrument-free task. It keeps on being controlled by a 649cc, fluid-cooled, parallel twin engine which produces 68 horsepower at 8,500 revolutions per minute and 64 Nm of torque at 7,000 revolutions per minute. The Versys 650 is Kawasaki's moderate-size games tourer bike and a progressively splendid one at that. It imparts its engine to whatever is left of Kawasaki's 650s, however is distinctive in its directing geometry and the appropriation of a topsy-turvy fork, all of which loans it phenomenal taking care of and security. ABS is standard on the bicycle.